So this is Mini Ark. Minion, make the dinosaur walk. Make the dinosaur walk.
I did not call him Mark, I called him...
No, Mini Ark, like the game I play, Ark. You know the dinosaurs? This is Mickey Mouse riding a dinosaur. Go on, make it walk. See? Just like Ark. You better hope he doesn't find a raptor. Pretty cool, huh?
He's called Tyranni.
Tyranni.
Yeah, it's like a... You know what it is. It's a half of Tyrannosaurus Rex, but Tyrann, and then the eye, what you have in...
Okay, can you make him walk backwards?
Yeah. He even turns for no reason.
I can see that.
You can see because he's... Oh. I think it's about what you've done to these two little small green bits on his feet.
Yeah, I did rearrange them so he would do weird things because it seemed more sensible for him to turn in circles when he went backwards.
No.
Yeah, it is.
It's not.
It definitely is better.
No, it's not because I tried him on the race on my mummy's bed and he did win 2 times, but I always have to move him straight.
Okay, well, say bye-bye and thank you for watching the video.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching this short video. Hope
And
you
look,
liked it.
and on the dinosaur. Let's have a look at his face again. Wee-hee-hee. Doesn't he look scary? He looks like a gremlin.
No, he does not.
Yeah, he does.
This is really the size of a mouse.
Yes, he's a very small Mickey.
Yeah, like tiniest Mickey ever.
He's called Bigfoot Mickey, isn't he?
Yeah. I call him Mickey number 0.